Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you're first to get my videos. So guys, right here is the shirt that I did, and I ended up using the logo, the LA with the heart and the larger Dodgers up above. And I input all the images through my silhouette cameo, and I cut those out, and that's what I left with the LA, which I'll be using on these shoes right here. And I will link the shirt that I did that I use the first two logos up top, and so I'm left with the smaller ones to go on my Reebok. And so I'm just trying to size up to see exactly how large or small I need them to be in order for it to fit on my Reebok. So I am just sizing them on the Silhouette Cameo software, and the front as well. So when you look down, I want you to see Go Dodgers, and when I'm walking, I want you to see Go Dodgers. So I move everything away to the left from the image that I traced out, and I move everything up forward. And this is the same vinyl glitter paper that I use for the shirt. I just flipped it around and used the bottom portion, and then I moved up the image. And don't forget to mirror it like I just did along with your glitter vinyl and send it to cut. So my cameo cutter is crap, you guys. It's like the oldest, the first ever, I think. And it always leaves this black streak, so thank goodness. I'm trying to clean it off, but it's still so sticky. And I don't know if I want to get another one, you guys, because it's not something I do all the time. It's every now and then I need a shirt done, so I don't want to invest money just for a once in a while shirt or design, shoe, whatever. But anyway, I am taking off making sure that everything cut, and I try my best not to waste the remaining pieces of vinyl paper. So I'm just pulling it off as much as possible so I could see the lettering, and then I will cut it, take it off and cut it, but make sure you keep it on that plastic paper or plastic glitter vinyl that you see behind the word, because you need that on in order to iron your lettering. Hey guys, if you haven't done it by now, please take this time to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. So yeah, I'm just finishing making sure everything cut. The Los Angeles was a pain in the butt. The lust, like I lost it a few times on my on my table. It was so hard to weed out, you guys, because I could not figure out where it was. I could not see. Silver vinyl glitter paper is like the worst to see when you cut it. And but here I am weeding. This was kind of easy to weed out. Thank goodness I didn't lose anything and had to go back and cut it again. And this is what I got when I weeded everything. See the Los Angeles. So now I'm taking a regular tape and I'm going to tape them around the shoe to see where I want to place them, if I want to keep them there, if it fits, how I'm going to position everything. And when I'm done, I will take the tape off individually for each lettering, and use so everything's lettered and put where I think I want them to be. I might change them around later. That's what's left over from the shirt. I'm still trying to figure out where to put those, but I'm taking my mini iron and I will go ahead and start ironing all of the lettering on my shoe. So I got these shoes from Shoe Warehouse, and I think I paid somewhere between $30 and $50. I don't think they were that expensive. But guess what I got them for? I'm going to a Dodgers game. My son, he graduated, but he's one of the 12 students in LAUSD Aura region that got perfect attendance since first, even though his was since kinder, but they only count first to 12th grade. And they had a luncheon, a ceremony, a plaque. People from the district were there, and they were supposed to give us football tickets. I think that's still coming too, but we were very shocked when my son got an email saying, "Hey, do you want Dodgers ticket?" So we're like, "Take it!" So he accepted. They gave us four, and then later on we checked, and so everything's ironed on, you guys. Tell me, well, at least on that one foot. And so yeah, we accepted the five tickets. We will be going to the game. So I did the shirt, and I'm doing my shoes, my tennis shoes, and I'll link the shirt. And what else do I have? Oh, I'll be doing my nails and also my pedicure. The pedicure might not be done in time for the Dodger game, but See, I figured where I'm gonna put those. Yeah, but so I'm taking alcohol in order to clean off the surface where I want to put the rhinestone. I'll be using E6000 glue for that. So make sure to clean your surface. The other parts were cloth, so you don't need to clean those in order to put. I like to work with t-shirt transfer paper as well. So once it's cloth, you don't have to worry about cleaning it. But once it's like plastic or the vinyl part, you have to. That's where I get my rhinestone. They're size 16. This was a quick one because normally when I do this is 8,000. I like getting the smaller one right here because I don't use them for a long period of time, it doesn't dry out. I go back to use a very expensive glue and I can't use it, and it's still full of glue, but because it's old and not used. But I decided to get one and one just in case. But I prefer using a smaller one. When they're done, and you don't open the other one till time to use it. And even if you don't use it, it's just a smaller one that's old and throw away. Yeah, so what the heck was I talking about? Yeah, so I will be heading out. The only thing I'm worrying about is that when I get there, I'm very limited on what I can eat because of what I've been dealing with my illness. And whenever I eat when I'm normally healthy, if it's too much MSG, salt, fast food, things like that, it goes straight to my head. I start getting like whatever, tired, sleepy, the normal thing when people eat, they don't know what's wrong with them. Well, thank God I know what's wrong with me. But in this case, I'm still healing. I'm not 100%. So I'm not into sports, you guys. Like I did martial arts. I danced. I was a dance major in high school. And my kids do basketball. They did soccer and they did baseball. I never introduced them to football. But yeah, and my kids don't watch sports, but my husband watches sports. He yells at sports. He needs to be a commentator. Like he is really good at that. Like he knows every detail of sports. So for us going, I don't know about them, but for me, it's more about the food, being out, like wearing my bling bling, my shirt. I wanted to order a mask and do Dodgers on there, but I don't think I'll have time. Oh, I was telling you about my pedicure. My pedicure might not be done in time for the game. Plus, it doesn't matter anyway because I'll be wearing tennis shoes, but I kind of wanted it done just to have a video content. Also, I'll still do it. But my nails, I currently have on nails that you see right there. I didn't put them on to last long. Like I didn't do a lot of prep process. Guys, isn't that gorgeous? That is so damn gorgeous. I love it. Yeah, I didn't do my nails long for it to last very long. So one hand already came off. The second hand it's they're coming off. So I'll be doing my nail this coming week. You should stay tuned for that one because it is so gorgeous. At least in my head, it's gonna be at least the images that I pick from Pinterest that I want them to look like. And I will be using the operating system Gel X. I just got the white French with the French tip nails. Oh my gosh, those are awesome. So I'll do one to show you how to do the French tip nails with the new operating system, and then I'll do the rest design for Dodger. Anyway, I hope I like to say anyway, and I always realize in my videos I put an S on it. Like I like to say I'm Belizean, okay? I think we put an S on everything. So I used to say mines. And my son's like, Mama, it's not mine. Take this off. I'm like, I know, but I'm speaking Creole. We say everything how we want to say it when we want to say it. So forgive me for that, okay? Anyways, I said it again. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. Bye.